Hey y'all, welcome back for day 4 of the soft summer reset. My name is Gayla. Let's get into it. Today is one of those days that's going to be less movement heavy, so more grounding, stillness, and focus on calming the mind with our breath, right? That's what we're going to be working on. Our today. Affirmation is going to be I am safe in this moment. I am safe in this moment. And our journal prompt for today is what do I need emotionally right now? What do I need emotionally right now? So, one, I'm safe. And then, what do I need emotionally? And that's where we're going to jump into today. So, again, not movement heavy. This is more about relaxing the mind and the body, regulating our nervous system. So if you have bolsters, pillows, or something like that, today would be a good day to grab those. We're going to come all the way down onto our mats and we're going to relax either if this is comfortable with your feet on the floor, you can do that. Your knees are bent. You can also take bottoms of the feet together, let the knees fall out to the side. You can relax the hands on the belly, arms out to the side, whatever works. Another option would be to walk the legs all the way out until they're straight. Now, here's a little tip. If you go to a yoga class, usually this is one of the final resting poses. If you have a lot going on in the back, right? This is not comfortable for us. A lot of us have hips, we got thighs, we got butt, and we're not able to see. I don't know if y'all can tell, right? Look at all this room up under here. That's not comfortable for me. There's a deep arch in my lower back in order for me to get my legs this way, right? So, whenever you hear um, or you're in a class and you're in that pose, this is much more comfortable for us. You can bring the bottoms of the feet together, the knees are out. You're going to tilt your pelvis back towards your head or up towards your head. And now, you can see, there's no room in between my lower back and my mat, right? So that's much more comfortable for us. You get what I'm saying. So either way, pick which position that is most comfortable. Another option would be feet wide and then let your knees fall in. That also feels good. I think I'm actually going to stay there today. So my feet are wide, let the knees fall in, relax the arms either out to the side or just on the belly. Once you get comfortable, we're going to add that breath in there. So inhales and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, fill the belly up. We exhale, empty everything out. Inhale, fill it up. And exhale, empty it out. Now, you can either continue with your deep breaths, or you can just go back to your regular breath and just hang out. What I want you to think about while you're here is your affirmation for today, which is I am safe. I am calm. I am relaxed. I am doing something that is good for my body and my mind. And self-care is not selfish. So we're just going to hang out for a few minutes. It's nice and easy for today. Again, you can be sticking with those deep breaths or just regular breathing. Our main focus is that we are safe in this moment. We're relaxing, calming the body, regulating that nervous system. Just taking time for you. I'm going to go about another minute. We're about halfway. Another 30 seconds or so. I'm going to come back to our breath. A couple of rounds of the deep breathing again. So in through the nose and out through the nose. In through the nose and out through the nose. In through the nose and out through the nose. Belly fills up. Empty everything out. Good. So I'm going to draw my knees into my chest just for a second and just rock side to side. And this is good to relieve some of that tension out of your lower back. Massages it a little. And then just to ease our way back up, you can turn over to your side and then press up from there. Going to come to that seated position, whichever one is comfortable. Once you get here, we're just going to sit still for a minute. Again, we can do our deep breaths, regular breathing, whatever works. Eyes can be open or closed. Good. I'm going to go ahead and bring our arms out to the sides with our palms facing up. Big breath in. Arms come all the way up above the head. Palms come together on that exhale. Bringing the arms and hands down to heart center. And we are done. All right, y'all. We have completed day 4. And again, it's just mostly about relaxing, regulating our nervous system, being calm, stillness, nothing major for today. So hopefully, if you compare today to yesterday, where we did actually do a little bit of movement and then we felt relaxed at the end, today we didn't move, but I still feel a little relaxed. So think about that as well. Sometimes you don't have to do a lot. Sometimes it's just taking a minute, relaxing, being quiet, and that can help you and to get back into whatever your normal routine is. So again, thank you for coming back for day 4. Remember your affirmations and your journal prompts. Jot those down. Our affirmation for today is I feel safe in this moment. And our journal prompt for today is what do I need emotionally? So I feel safe, and what do I need emotionally? All right, y'all, that's it. Thank you for coming back to watch day 4. Love y'all. Bye, y'all.